working with Joseph Don is undoubtedly one of the best business decisions that I have made. We've been working together for close to 2 years now, and we've steadily climbed, from 5 figures to 6 figures, and then we're pushing towards 7. You don't just hire Joseph Don and then he just gives you tips and he works together with you. He tries to tell you, okay, this is what you're doing wrong, this is what you should be doing, these are the tips that would help you grow, and it always works. So far you do everything you're supposed to do correctly, there is the guarantee that it works all the time. It's not magic, it's work. It's like, maybe we'll call him St. Joseph the miracle worker, because he has worked a lot of miracles for my business and the testimony. And let's not get all churchy right now. Well, he's a very good coach. He's a coach, he's a teacher, he's a friend, and he takes your business issues personally. He's like, how can we do this? How can we work? How can we settle this? How can we work on this? How can we make this better for you? What is the problem? Let's move forward. Together with Joseph, I set goals, smash goals. Joseph is one of the best business decisions. I said it in the beginning. It's one of the best business decisions I made, and I will continue making that decision again and again and again and again and again, because it's one of the best things that has happened in my business life. And his advices are gold. His steps, everything, it just makes sense. It just makes sense. So I don't know why you have not joined me. You have not joined me in this steady. It's a progression. There is never a retrogression. We are always progressing, we are always going higher, we're always going ahead. So I don't know why you have not joined us, but then you should join. You should take that leap of faith, take that that step ahead, and I promise you'll be totally glad you did.